one was also his usual decorum in the house na may pag-uusapan, bigla siyang manggugulo, bigla siyang magla-live siya at biglang magpo-poke ng mga cellphone. And we kept on asking him why. Ang sabi naman niya sa akin, Mami kasi because many of the Kongs call me that, Mami kasi ang pusa palaaway. So kung hindi ako mga away ng mga away, hindi ako posa. So kailangan kong mag-away ng mag-away because that is a posa and you have to understand that a posa will have many enemies. You know, sometimes people will look at it as funny. But you are representing thousands, hundreds of thousands of constituents who are being deprived of their representation simply because you are looking at your position as a game. So hindi ito pwede. And then yung bigla ka na lang mga away ng negosyante na wala namang basis, and you actually belong to that party, that political party. Imagine the loss of investments and the loss of trust of people who want to come to the Philippines or want to do business with Filipinos, ay maapektuhan yan. So ito yung mga bagay-bagay na okay lang sana kung first offense, second offense, but it's repetitive eh. And in fact, even under suspension, wala. Parang his point is, that's his nature as a cat, but he's not a cat.